Hello and welcome to Solution Cone. In this video we'll see how to upload an image into database using PHP and MySQL. So first of all you need to run the local servers. So in my case I'm using XAMPP to run my Apache and MySQL. Once everything is done, just check if localhost is running or not. Yes, my localhost is running. If you don't if you see an error, that means you need to start your local server. And what I'll do is, first of all, oops, go to PHP MyAdmin, and here I'm going to create a new database known as my image, and I'll just create the new database. In that I'll create a table img, and it would be having three columns. Okay, id, which is an auto increment, a primary key. Next thing is if you want to save the image path, you can save it here, varchar, and the path you will see is 100 size. Then image name, this is also a varchar, and image name would be 50 characters long. And yes, our table has been created. Now we have to write the scripts. So first of all I need to create a folder where I am going to save everything. So inside XAMPP I am going to htdocs, which is the root directory here, and here I would say that image underscore uploads, and here I'm going to save everything. Okay, so here I am making an includes folder, and inside that I'm going to write a connect script. Okay, inside this include I'm going to write a connect script, connect.php. So PHP. So first of all, what is a host? Host name is localhost. Okay, then username, as I am using XAMPP, my username is root. Then what is my password? Password is blank. Lastly, my database name, which I have created here, my image, now let's connect, save this connection, mysqli underscore connect, and inside that we'll pass host as the first parameter, username, password, and the database name. If this connection is successful, then it's okay, or die throwing an error, something like error occurred, while connect. Okay. Okay, so let's try to run this and see if error occurs. local host slash img underscore uploads. Inside that we have includes folder and connect.php. So you can see that no error has been thrown. That means we have successfully connected to our database. Now let's write a script. Okay, new thing is we want to create a form. So img upload form dot php. Okay, here we need to create a form, so I'm not going to style it. Okay, I'm just going to show you the actual working of it. If you want to give the title, you can give it here. Let's go down for body section. Okay, inside this I'm going to create form. Now in this form, the action which we have to specify, the method we have to give, like post, and the important thing is enc type is equal to multipart slash form data. Now here just input type equals to file name equals to something like upload, and anything else, I don't think so. br. This is a basic form. Now a button, input type equals submit, and if you want to give the name, you can give it to name is equal to anything like submit, and value which would be upload. Okay, now let's try to run this. Okay, go back, go to parent directory. Oops, and here you can see that image upload form. Yeah, your form looks like this, and yeah, it's working. When you click on upload folder, nothing happens. This is because we haven't written any script for it. So let's do one thing. Let's give it an action to upload.php. Okay, now let's create that file first, save as, and here I have to create upload.php. Okay, now what we are going to do is, whenever user clicks on this button, we will store the image on a folder which we are going to create on the server, and we are going to save the link of that image into our database. Sounds tricky? Let's do it, then it would be more clear. Now in our image underscore upload folder, we have an includes folder which contains our connect.php, and we have an image upload form as well as a script which we haven't written yet, we would create a new folder known as uploads. Whatever images the user wants to upload to the server would be moved to this folder, and we would store the path in the database. So the retrieval process is quite fast. So let's do this. Inside this uploads folder, we would do a PHP script. First of all, we have to we have to first of all we have to check, like if is set. First we have to check whether the image or something is coming or not. So if is set, something is coming to this upload. Okay, then perform this script. Okay, else give us an error saying that some error occurred. Now once we have our image with us, what we'll do is we'll store the file name $_files, and here we have to write the name of the input type file name, which we have given here as upload, and here what we want the name of the file. Similarly, file temp, so we want temporary name of the file. So files, and here as usual, here will tmp underscore name. Another thing is, what we want is file. Here we are getting file name, but sometimes it is important that we just want the base name. Okay, so file base is equal to, just you have to write base name of this, or entire thing here. Okay, so we have the name, we have temporary name, we have file ka base name, we also have the directory with us where we are going to upload the file, which is in uploads folder. Okay, inside this we are going to store it. So let's do one thing, let's echo everything. Okay, let's echo. Okay, let's let's choose a file and click on upload. Some error occurred, so we are here. That means the image has been not set. Why is it so? Okay, so let's me check one thing. Multi-part form data and type equals to multi-part form data. Form data. The script is looking good. Okay, upload. Here the button has been clicked. Okay, if the button has been clicked, this is the name, the temporary location of the file, and this is the base name which we wanted. So inside this we are going to create a final directory where everything is going to be uploaded, which is nothing but $dir, that is inside the uploads folder. We have to have the file base name. Okay, let's remove the echo of everything. Okay, so let's echo the final directory, then it would be clear to you all. Okay, let's choose of this file and click on uploads. So the path is inside the uploads folder. We have this image, so this is what we have to store in the database. Okay, now firstly we have to move the file, move uploaded files from temporary location. This is where we are going to make use of temporary location to the final location where we want. This, if it's successful, then echo that uploading is done. Else error. Oops, inside echo write your message, error while uploading. Now let's check the script. Okay, choose an image, open and upload. Uploading is done. That means we have now that image inside this folder. Yeah, now what we have to do is we have to store the path of it inside the database, and that's it. So we have done this. Now what we have to do is, if this is everything is set, image has been uploaded, so here only we have to fire the insert query, insert into DB query. So what the query would look like: MySQL underscore query, and inside that the first parameter is our connection, which is this, and the second is a query. So insert into the table name. The table name is, what is the table name? I guess my image. Okay, and the table name is img, and the values which we want to insert in this table. We have id, which is auto increment, so didn't we do not specify it. Second is image path, so image underscore path, I guess. Yeah, image underscore path, comma, img underscore name, values. Okay, the values is like the path is our final directory, so we'll just copy this and paste it over here. And secondly, what is our image name? Image name is our base name, and just paste it over here. And let's check if this query executes or not. So if query, then echo image inserted, else fire an error, else echo error while inserting. Let's check the script if it runs well or not. Let's reload this page. Now I have this image and I open this and click on uploads. Oops, syntax error on line number 20 in uploads.php. So here the line number 20. Oops, we have missed the semicolon, and that's why we got an error. Let's do one thing, let's reload everything and check it again. Uploading is done. Undefined index $con. Oh, okay, we haven't included our connect.php to this file. So include connect.php. Okay, because inside the include folder we have this connect.php and we are using its variable $con. That's why it's throwing error. Now everything is good, I guess. No more errors, and yes, uploading is done. That means the image is present in our folder and image also inserted in the database. Let's check our database. Yes, we have this path stored with us and the name as well. So with this path we can retrieve as well as store. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like, subscribe and comment below if you have any doubts. Thank you.